VP Online AI Risk Breakdown Structure Generator is a valuable tool that helps identify and organize potential risks across different aspects of a project. In VP Online, go to AI Tools and select Risk Breakdown Structure Generator. Enter a description of your project into the generator, then click the Generate Risk Breakdown Structure button. A diagram will be generated below. If you want to highlight specific risk areas, simply include them in your description and generate the diagram again. You will see that the newly added aspects are now reflected in the diagram. To customize the diagram, click View or Edit Diagram. You can easily edit the diagram, like changing the theme and updating text content. Please note that watermark-free exports are only available in combo and higher editions. Log in and save your diagram to your workspace. Once reopen the diagram from the workspace, the watermark will be removed. You can then continue editing the diagram, such as adjusting the text width, node padding, and font settings. When you're done, export the diagram in the format that best suits your needs and download it to your device.